gotcha.
But other than that, it's just...
Okay, so you're at 80. The school bus in front of us is approximately 80 kilometers as well. So we're able to establish a good following distance here of about 6 seconds for road conditions. To calculate your following distance, you want about 6 seconds. This school bus in front of you here, we don't quite have 6 seconds yet, but when he reaches the yellow sign, I'm going to start counting.
Okay.
1001, 2, 1003, 1004, 1005. You're right bang on 6 seconds. This is what it looks like at 80 kilometers an hour. Don't want to get any closer than this.
Okay.
Everyone loves to travel in a cluster, and that's where all the risk is.
This is mainly because of winter, because if you need a break suddenly, you're going to end up hitting the bump.
Yeah, especially in the winter. So you increase your following distance to about 10.
Yeah, I went down a little bit.
That's okay. Like, what I mean is, like, in the winter time, you want to increase it from 6 to about 10, even 20 sometimes,
Okay.
depending on how slippery the surface is. Good road conditions, minimum 6.
Okay. So that distance
Yep.
was okay?
Yep, that's fine.
Alright.
6 or more. 6 or more. Any less than 6, then you get too close. And the next exit, which is Notre Dame South, we're going to take that one. Coming into a deceleration lane, so you get into that lane, and that's where you start decelerating, yeah. So it gives you a nice long lane, long enough so that it allows you to slow the car down.
At around how, high of speed I have to go in here? Because usually, my mom said that there's this sign here, but that's basically you can go a little bit higher.
Yeah.
But, not too much.
Yeah.
So what is a good speed to be here?
This is good.
50 is fine?
Mm-hmm. Safe and comfortable for the road conditions.
Okay.
So you're not scaring your passengers. So.
And not giving yourself a heart attack
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah. The yellow 30 sign back there, that's more for the transports. They have a higher center of gravity. They really do have to slow it down, otherwise they could tip.
Tilt, yeah. Okay.
But it's just...
another one where I'm going to have to get to 80, right?
Yeah. So this is your acceleration lane. You want to get your speed up to traffic speed. Signal left. Your shoulder check.